Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be my summer essentials video. So these are products that I love during the summer and that I have been loving. Even though summer is just now officially starting, it has felt like summer here for a while. So I'm just going to get right into it. First thing that should always be on your essentials list for summer is SPF, but I have mine in the form of a BB cream and a CC cream. So I am a huge fan of wearing BB and CC creams under my foundation. I know that sounds like a lot. It's never really a lot for my skin. It doesn't disrupt my foundation or anything. And I have the added skincare and the SPF. So I love these two. This is Coola. It's the Mineral Sunscreen Unscented Matte Tint Mineral BB Cream. This is amazing. So this is really great because it makes your skin look matte. So if you're gonna be out and about and you don't want to wear a lot of makeup, you could just wear this and it keeps your skin from looking shiny, which is really great. It's not a lot of coverage, it's barely any coverage. And I think I have a get ready with me where I was trying this for the first time and I was super disappointed in the coverage. I just thought that it would be a little bit more like a normal BB cream, but it is mostly just mattifying and SPF, and it's just really good for your skin. So I like it under foundation. It looks really good under foundation. The other one is a longtime favorite of mine. This is the Supergoop Daily Correct CC cream, and it has omega-3 and omega-6, and it's SPF 40. I forgot to say, this Coola one was SPF 30. So SPF 30 I think is a good baseline for every day during the summer. If you are out a lot, you might want more, but I think for me, SPF 30 works really well for me. So I've been using this a lot. I actually only ever use this under my foundation. It just adds another layer of hydration and the SPF, and my skin looks amazing when I wear this under my foundation. So these are two must-haves for me. Next is primer. So I'm trying out a lot of primers this summer. I figure what better time to try out a primer than when my face is going to be melting off. So I've been using this one from e.l.f. It's the Aqua Primer Mist. I only have one primer that I really want to recommend at this time because this one is so versatile. So it's a spray on and it's fine. The mist is fine, but I do like to put it on my hand and then apply it onto my face with my hand. You can wear this under your foundation and over your foundation. And to me, that's just a super versatile product. If you are traveling a lot, then you only have to bring one thing. You don't have to bring a primer and a setting spray. It's like an all-in-one. And for my combination oily skin, it really keeps my foundation lasting all day in the heat. Speaking of lasting in the heat, if you've watched any of my recent videos, then you know that I am a huge fan of the Color Science mascara. This was sent to me by Color Science when they sent me some other products to try out. This was just a little added bonus, and I'm so glad they sent this to me because I would have never tried this on my own. Honestly, I didn't think that it was going to be very amazing. I don't know why I thought that. I just thought, oh, it just looks like a regular mascara. I'll get around to trying it. Well, then I took this out when I was doing my Color Science reviews a few weeks ago, and I cannot use another mascara. This is amazing. So this, as far as mascaras go, it is not super volumizing. So if you want a lot of volume, you might want to combine this with a volumizing mascara. And the reason I say you want to combine it instead of just using a different mascara altogether is because this does not budge from my eyelashes during the day. I've said in a recent video, we were cleaning out our garage and my eyelids were wet, they can't sweat. I don't think your eyelids can sweat. I don't know, the sweat was dripping from my forehead. I mean, I was just wiping my face down because I was sweating so much. And this didn't budge at all. There were no smudges, no transfers, nothing. It's amazing. I guess it's waterproof, but I remove this with water. I literally just get my fingers wet and rub against my eyelashes to loosen everything up. The mascara kind of comes off like a tube mascara, but it's a little bit more flaky than a tube, but it comes off in sections. And my eyelashes, they don't fall out when I do that either. It's amazing. I can't speak highly enough about this mascara. It is amazing. I think everyone needs to try it. As far as mascaras go, I said it wasn't volumizing, but it is lengthening and defining. So I think my pitiful little eyelashes even look good with this mascara. So I can imagine like someone who already has voluminous eyelashes, this would look amazing. So it dries down pretty fast and you have to work quickly. I apply like 2 to 3 layers really quickly. Wherever your eyelashes are or wherever they're positioned when it dries down, that is where they're staying for the day. So I'm just like really careful to kind of like brush them out like in that motion to make sure that everything is separated and pointing in the right direction and all that. So I can't rave about this enough. It's amazing. Next, nude lips. I am currently obsessed with only one lip color right now, and it is the Mari lip pencil from XO Beauty. The day these launched, I bought 2 colors. I got the Mari, and it's spelled like Marie, but she calls it Mari, so I'm just gonna call it Mari. I got this and the Valerie one, which is a peachy color. Those two together are really pretty, but I have been wearing this by itself. I'm wearing it today. It's so pretty. I love this color. It's the perfect color. I've been thinking all week I need to go and look at her swatch videos to see like if there's a lip pencil, not a lip pencil. I'm just like reading the words I'm looking at. I need to see if there's a lipstick or like her liquid lipsticks, if there's one that corresponds with this, because I just have to have more of this color in my life. It's so pretty. I just really like it. I think a nude lip is really pretty for summer. So last but not least, dewy foundation. I am having a thing with dewy foundation this year, and these are 2 of my favorites. So this is the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Luminous Makeup, and this one has SPF 18 in it, which I thought was kind of a weird SPF number, but this is really pretty, and I am the color, where is the color? Porcelain L1. It's not light enough for when I don't have tan, which makes it perfect for summer. And then this is the Physicians Formula Touch of Glow. No, is it nude something Touch of Glow? I can barely read this. Okay, Nude Wear Touch of Glow Foundation in Fair. And the packaging is gorgeous. This also comes with a brush, so you get them together. This foundation brush applies this really, really well. I was surprised with how tiny this is, but I applied this today with damp beauty sponges, multiple sponges. If you watch that Get Ready With Me where I was trying different sponges out, that's today. I was wearing this. It's a little bit makeup-y with a damp beauty blender, so I really recommend a brush like that one that's really soft, and you can kind of like work slowly and like make sure it's all blended out. It blends out really easily, but I think it looks a little bit makeup-y with a damp beauty blender, although if you apply lightly, it's fine. I didn't apply lightly today, so but I think it looks really good with a brush as well, like the one it comes with, or my Marc Jacobs one that I really like. But yeah, as far as makeup, I've just been trying to go like nude lips, glowy makeup, really fresh and clean, and like bright and glowy for summer. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you found some products that maybe you would like to try out. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to tell me down below what your essentials are for summer. I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.